Hey there, fitness enthusiasts! Welcome back to Fitness Fusion, your go-to channel for all things fitness. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future workout videos. Today, we've got an exciting session in store for all the beginners out there who are eager to hit the gym and embark on their fitness journey. We'll guide you through a series of beginner-friendly gym workouts to get you started on the right track. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. 1. Warm-up routine. Before we unleash the beast within, let's make sure we're properly warmed up to avoid any unnecessary injuries. Follow along with these dynamic exercises to get your heart pumping and your muscles ready to go. Arm circles. 30 seconds forward, 30 seconds backward. High knees. March in place, lifting your knees as high as possible for 1 minute. Jumping jacks. Perform 15 to 20 reps to elevate your heart rate. Leg swings. Swing each leg forward and backward 10 times to loosen up the hips. Shoulder rotations. Gently rotate your shoulders forward and backward 15 times. 2. Full body workout. Now that we're all warmed up, it's time to ignite the fire in our bodies with a full body workout routine. These compound exercises will work multiple muscle groups simultaneously, maximizing our time at the gym. Squats. 3 sets of 12 reps. Stand with feet shoulder width apart. Push your hips back and lower yourself into a squat position. Make sure your knees don't go past your toes. Push-ups. 3 sets of 10 reps. Place your hands shoulder width apart on the floor. Keep your body straight and lower yourself down by bending your elbows. If regular push-ups are too challenging, you can modify them on your knees. Bent over rows. 3 sets of 12 reps. Grab a pair of dumbbells. Hinge at your hips and bend your knees slightly. Pull the weights towards your chest, squeezing your shoulder blades together. Lunges. 3 sets of 10 reps per leg. Step forward with one leg, lowering your body until both knees are at 90-degree angles. Return to the starting position and switch legs. Plank. 3 sets of 30 seconds. Hold the plank position with your elbows directly below your shoulders and your body in a straight line from head to heels. 3. Cardio blast. Don't worry, we're not done just yet. Let's take our endurance to the next level with some heart-pounding cardio moves that will leave you feeling energized and accomplished. Jump rope. 2 minutes. Grab a jump rope and skip at a comfortable pace. Don't worry about getting fancy. Focus on consistent jumping. Treadmill jog. 5 minutes. If you have access to a treadmill, start with a light jog. Increase the speed gradually to challenge yourself. 4. Cool down. Fantastic job on pushing through that intense workout. But now, it's time to bring things down a notch and give our bodies the cool down they deserve. Let's stretch those muscles and show them some love. Hamstring stretch. Sit down with one leg extended. Reach for your toes and hold for 30 seconds on each leg. Shoulder stretch. Extend one arm across your chest and gently pull it towards your body. Hold for 30 seconds on each arm. Quad stretch. Stand on one leg, bend your knee, and bring your foot towards your glutes. Hold for 30 seconds on each leg. That's a wrap on today's beginner's guide to gym workouts. We hope you had a blast and that this video has motivated you to continue your fitness journey. Remember, progress takes time, so don't get discouraged if you can't do everything perfectly from the start. Keep showing up, stay consistent, and you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your gym buddies, and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already.